Now we are going to see more vision. And this vision is economical type of mini family the cutting machine. Why it is economic type? Because its transmission is made by the belt. This is a belt transfer. Of course, each process is lower than the gear transfer, but it's cheaper a lot. This machine not finished. We are still in still,
是的，是不及眼睛。
and this motor is step motor, and the reel is fast reel. 这是滑轨是吗？ This is the backside cell before the fiber source in steel. And after we from that side to this side, it's electronic spare parts installed also.